Hello, everybody. Hope you all are doing great. Season greetings to everyone. Compliment of the season. In today's video, we're going to be making a very popular Nigerian snack known as egg roll. This is not Scotch egg, but egg roll. So enjoy the video, guys. So in here I have my dried ingredients, and I'll be in here I have flour, and I'll be adding salt, sugar, baking powder, ginger powder, and black pepper. The ginger powder and black pepper is just for some added extra flavor. Okay, yeah. And now I'm just going to be I just added my cold butter, and I'll be mixing that together until a crumb like texture is formed. So sorry about my long sleeve top I'm wearing. The weather is freezing here. And yeah, I just added my whisk egg. I used one egg. And now I'm adding water into it just to form a dough. The list of ingredients and measurements will be in the description box. Now you just work the dough for a while until you work the dough. The dough is quite sticky, as you can see. It's quite sticky. So what you do is just knead it a while, cover it to rest for 20 minutes, and then knead it again like what I just did now. So I'm not leaving this dough on my countertop because it's pretty cold. So I just transferred it onto this board, and I'll be sharing this dough into 5, but you can only see that I shared it into 4, but I actually had to share it into 5 because I have 5 boiled eggs. But you can do as many as you want, but this is just 2 cups of flour. And yeah, you can actually reduce the size of the dough. And now you have to make sure that your hands have enough flour, as in your hands are floored, because the dough is still soft and it does not have to stick onto your hands. So now you just flatten the dough on the palm of your hand, open it up, and then you close it and make sure that is tightly closed, and then you just roll it around your hands to make sure that it is firmly sealed, because if you don't seal it properly, it might burst open when you're frying it. So just do it like this. It's pretty simple, and I hope you understand me. It is important to wrap the number of egg roll you'll be frying per time, so that the baking powder will not just start rising without it entering the oil or being fried before time. So you just fry this in the preheated oil. Keep stirring so you can have evenly browned outer part. Guys, as you can see, it's evenly browned, golden brown, and it's ready. So I'll just take these out and place it on you saw what I used in taking it out of the oil. What is wrong with me? As you can see, I told you I made 5, and these are the egg rolls, and they are so beautiful. So beautiful, so delicious on the inside. I'll be cutting it open so you can see how it looks, guys. It's pretty delicious. This is quite filling. You can have this for breakfast, you can have this for lunch, you can have this for dinner, you can give this to your kids as snack to school. It's a multi-purpose snack. So guys, thank you all so much, so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, like my video, share it on all platforms. I need subscribers, guys. I really need subscribers. Thank you all so much for watching. Until I come your way next time with another yummy recipe, stay blessed, be good, love your neighbor as you love yourselves, and peace. Bye.